Making chakka halwa, jackfruit halwa, chakka halwa. Adding coconut milk. Adding powdered cardamom and dried ginger as needed. Keep on stirring until it thickens up. Making jackfruit halwa. Keep on stirring until it thickens up. Ghee as needed. Was stirring. Added cane sugar syrup as cooking. Or jaggery. Indian jaggery, Kerala jaggery. Made liquid and added to the cooked jackfruit. Mix. Mixing the chakka halwa is a hot pot. Mixing the jackfruit, making the halwa is a hard part in this process. Coconut sliced and fried in the ghee. Adding the coconut chips, fried coconut chips. Adding cashew nuts to fry. Mixing the jackfruit halwa, chakka halwa. Adding the cashew. Mixing final mix. Almost the halwa is ready. Chakka halwa, jackfruit. Added cashew nut and coconut. Chakka halwa is ready. Jackfruit halwa is ready. And to cool it for 24 hours. Sanli's jackfruit dates halwa, chakka dates halwa. Look at this. Smells so good. Look how smooth it is. Silky. Bang bang.